Hello friends, I am Ishant. Welcome to my channel BCM. So in this tutorial we will learn about anchor tag. So let's begin with the tutorial. Anchor tag is used to link a file to any another file. It can also be used to link a website or HTML document to a website or HTML document. So let's see it's practical. You can see here I have opened 3 HTML documents in the editor and we will write header tag in it. I will write home in the home page document and I will write contact us in the contact us page document. And after that I will write about us in the about us page document. And when we save this and refresh the browser, you can see all the headings inserted on the web browser. Now let's write anchor tag in the document. We will write href attribute in the anchor tag. In href tag, we write the address of the file that we want to insert on the web page. So I have 3 files in my folder, and first I will give the address of the contact us page document in my editor. So now I have given the address of the contact us file. I will write contact us between the anchor tag. So now when I save the document and refresh the browser, you can see contact us written here. To give the address of the second file, I will copy it and paste it below it. Now I will write the address of the second file, that is the about us page. I will write about us in the anchor tag. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see about us written here. To take it below contact us, I will write br tag in the document. And when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see about us inserted below contact us. So now when you click on these buttons, you are moving to that particular file that you have linked to this homepage file. To go back to the homepage file, I will add anchor tag to the other 2 files also. So I will copy these 2 lines and paste it in the contact us page. Now I will remove the address of the contact us page and write the address of the home page so that I can move to both the files. So now I have done the changes, and now when I save the document, you can see the 2 files inserted on the web page. So now I will do the same thing to about us page. I will paste the code to about us page also and write the address of home page instead of about us page. And I will write home between the anchor tag. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the 2 files inserted on the about us page. Now I can move to any file from any one of this file. Now let's talk about one attribute used in the anchor tag. The name of the attribute is target attribute. So I will write target attribute in the anchor tag of the document and give a underscore and write blank in it. So now when I save the document and refresh the browser, you can see when I click on home file, it is being opened in the same page. But in home page, when I click on the contact us button in which I have given target attribute, it is being opened in another page because we have written underscore blank in the target attribute. So if you remove underscore blank and write there underscore parent, and when you save it and refresh the browser, you can see the file is again been opened in the same page. The web browser opens the file by defaultly in the same page, but if you want to use parent element, you can use it. There is one more element similar to underscore parent element, that is the top element. It is also written as underscore top and also opens the file in the same page. So friends, today we learned about anchor tag. This much for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.